Hello! Welcome to my channel, Mr. Handyman at your service. Guys, we have here DeVant 43 inches LED TV with backlight but no picture. By the way, if you like this kind of videos and you want to update you in my next contents, please subscribe. Let's plug the unit to the AC outlet. We don't have remote control for this unit, that's why we are going to manually turning it on. Here is the trouble of the unit, as we notice, with backlight but no picture. Here is the model of the unit. Okay guys, let's start. As we notice, this unit has system board with power supply and a Ticon board. Basically, these problems are in the Ticon board or in the panel. Let's try. We are going to check first the voltage reading in the Ticon board. And here are the test point locations. As we notice, there is an input voltage which is 12 volts DC. And there's no voltage reading in VCOM, VDD, VGH, VGL, and VCC. Let us remove and hang the left ribbon wire from each socket terminal and check all the test points. So far, there's an input voltage Vin, which is 12 volts DC, and the rest of the test points has no voltage reading. Let us remove and hang the right ribbon wire from each socket terminal and check again the reading in all test points. Guys, as we notice, there's a voltage reading in all test points. Vin is 12.34 volts DC. Vcom is 6.2 volts DC. VDD is 16.15 volts DC. VGH is 28.14 volts DC. VGL is negative 4.94 volts DC. And BCC is 1.79 volts DC, which is all normal. It means that the right top board of the LCD panel has abnormal function. Okay guys, let's check what happened to the panel. As we notice, the panel reacts like this. The left side portion has black display and the right side portion has a white display cause of no ribbon connected on it. Guys, here's how to repair the trouble. We're going to block the VGH, VGL, and Vcom voltage going to the right top board of the panel. By putting thermal tape or Scotch tape in this location. Let us check what happened to the panel. Guys, the display is normal and we did the repair to the unit. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now. Maraming salamat po.